What's up, my fellow Maryland Terrapins? Welcome to my condo in Jersey City, New Jersey. My name is Michael Shao, and I was a 2008 graduate of Smith with a double major in finance and operations management.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Tong, and I'm a 2011 Smith School graduate. I'm currently a consultant with Hitachi Consulting, working on management and IT implementation projects for the commercial and public sectors.
Hello from Singapore. My name is George Macrianes, and I'm the Regional Director for South Asia, Pacific, and India channels for NCR Corporation, a U.S. multinational technology company.
Hi, my name is Sarah Ajaz, and I graduated from the Robert H. Smith School of Business in May of 2003. I had a double degree in Decision and Information Systems and Operation Quality Management. Today, I'm an IT manager at Grant Thornton LLP.
My name is Miano Zhang. I graduated from the University of Maryland in 2008. I studied operations management.
As a consultant, you're hired to solve a business's problem, whether it be implementing a new software, finding ways to cut costs, or revising their existing business processes. Your job is to come up with the best solution under limited time and limited resources. Therefore, you're constantly looking for ways not only to optimize your client's business, but to optimize the overall implementation process. The courses and professors within the Operations Management major teach you exactly this. They teach you how to analytically look at a situation and pinpoint areas to cut time and cost, while maintaining an overall high-level perspective of the entire process.
I'm currently working on a project at the Department of State where we're looking at the computer system that processes visa and passport applications, and we're looking to modernize that system. So essentially, I'm using my O&M background to look for redundancies and inefficiencies in the current process and look for ways that the agency is able to implement some cost savings and put in some better processes in place.
I previously worked for Unilever as logistics operations specialist. I was responsible for coordinating all of the key functions involved in the deployment planning process for Breyers and Starbucks ice cream, a $780 million per year business. I used OM concepts every day. I was responsible for inventory allocation across customer orders. During ice cream peak season, I completed capacity planning with production plants and the transportation team. I also worked in many cross-functional teams to analyze costs.
After completing the Johnson & Johnson Supply Chain Operations Co-op program that I'm sure you've heard of or that you hear about, I was with J&J for nearly 5 years upon my graduation from Maryland. I attribute my operations management background to much of what's allowed me to become a manager in New York City at just 26. Through my OM courses at Smith, I learned how to manage business processes such as manufacturing or services, how to structure the processes, and manage resources to develop the appropriate capabilities to convert inputs to outputs, and finally, how to manage interactions between the processes.
I always had an interest in business, but more importantly, understanding the architecture of businesses and how they run. This developed into a keen interest in finding quantifiable solutions to a variety of questions and challenges companies face. The operations and information management studies, without a doubt, provided me with a platform from which to refine this thought process, as well as an introduction to developing solutions.
Hopefully, based on my experience, you decide to choose operations management as your major, or if it is already, that you're now even more confident that you chose the right major for you. I wish you the best of luck in your educational and professional careers, and maybe our paths will cross one day. Until then, good luck and go Terps.